Alright, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about installing Latex on Windows and the editor for that's called TexStudio, and just a real quick introduction to getting it started right from installation. So the first thing you want to do is just search for MikTex in your favorite web search. That should take you here to the home page, or you could just directly go to the download section, and what we are looking for is the Windows downloader. So that should be down here under Windows, and then we can just download this as it is. So that gives us the file which is going to get downloaded, and then all I have to do is wait for it to download and then install it. Meanwhile, I've gone over to TexStudio, which is our editor, and I've downloaded this installation file which has already completed. So that's what we are going to need next. So what I want to do first is just click on this. This will start the installation, and of course it's going to ask me for permission. So I say yes, run, and of course you want to do this signature check just to make sure it's the file that you think you're getting, and then accept conditions. Everything is, of course, it's free and open source, and it's distributed under this license. So I need to install this for all users. Install MikTex to this default directory, that's fine. Preferred paper, you can select A4 or letter. I generally keep it on A4. And then install missing packages, you can say any of these. I am going to just put it as yes, and then next, and then I start. There we go. So this should take just a few seconds to install. Alright, so everything is done, and the only issue is that we haven't checked for updates. We'll do that later. Check for updates now. Yes, sure. And then we don't need this at the moment, so it's close. So that's it. So MikTex is installed, but we still need an editor, and so we are going to install this. So just need to click download now, and I've already done that. So I can just double click here or single click and then install this one. So this is going to install what is called the editor on the IDE, and this is called TexStudio. It's based on another version of a Tex editor. There we go. So there are some updates available, but we don't need to update right now, so we'll hold off on that. So now this is TexStudio that's getting installed. It should take just a few minutes. It's a very lightweight program. There we go, complete, and no errors. So I can just close here. Alright, in case we can launch TexStudio like this. So this is TexStudio. This is just the first time it's launching, so I guess it's getting everything ready. There we are. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just say create new. You could use a template, but for now, for the sake of this basic tutorial, I'm just going to create a new blank file. As always, let me just call it sample.tex, and this tex is pronounced tech, and sample.tex is the file that I want to save. Now every tech file begins with document class, right? So I know that there is a document class called article, and I believe it should be suggesting as well. No, document class article, begin document, and the end document is added by the editor by default. So this is like a very minimal document, and to build this all we have to do is go up here and we say build and view. So what this is going to do is it's going to run LaTeX on this file, and hopefully if everything goes well we should get this file. Now it's showing us this file in this windowed view. If you want to view it externally, you can click on this external viewer. External viewer is not, it's gone to my OneDrive, so let me just go pick it up from here and then sample.pdf. So what I'm going to do is define, I don't seem to have Adobe installed, so I'm just going to say Microsoft Edge, and then once I do that I'm able to view this file. Of course, if you have Adobe Reader or whatever installed, you should be able to see it like so. In general, you need to have at least these commands. So you need to have you need to define a document class. This could be article, it could be letter, it could be report, it could be thesis, and then you can download templates for many other document classes, and then everything that you want to say within the document, everything that you want typeset in the document goes between these two commands, begin document, end document, and then global commands that apply to the entire document, like settings and all those would go up top before you say begin document. So those are all out of the scope for this tutorial, but this is just a quick video on how to get started with LaTeX on Windows. So that's it. Thank you.